The work in our videos is carried out by an expert. All explanations, as well as executions, are only a recommendation of the providers. In this video, we would like to show you how to if the device is louder than it should be. It is possible that the fan is no longer in the correct position and is grinding against the housing. To solve the problem, open the device as shown in the video and loosen the screw on the fan. Then, as shown in the video, you can use a hammer or similar to bring the fan back into position and fix the screw again. Then you can close the device again with an Allen key. After that, the problem is solved and the device works normally again.